We normally open with here we have this car, but this is not a car. This is a mini monster truck. So this is an LC79 and it is getting a pizza with the lot. We're doing the new Alpine ILX 905 head unit that has wired Android Auto, but wireless Apple CarPlay. It's also got the new Alpine 6x9 door pods that have got the 6x9 splits at the front, the 6x9 coaxials in the rear. They come with a puddle light and they also come with a USB charger in every pod. We're also doing 2 subs up against the back wall. We're doing a 4-channel amplifier. We're also doing triple layer sound deadening. So 2 layers of Stinger roadkill, 1 layer of focal BAM. Add the front and rear parking cameras as well that'll run through the head unit. This is going to be a crazy car when it's finished. It'll sound amazing and it'll give a lot more entertainment inside the vehicle. So let's get deep inside and see what we're doing.